Hi everyone, this is a open box for the dedicated harness for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y to upgrade the Alpine PXE-X121 DSP. So this package of harness include a power cable. So you already got a power cable with fused to get it from the car, and then you can plug directly to the DSP. And with this harness, this is about maybe 4 meter to 5 meter long, so you will be able to get the speaker signal from your passenger side speaker input, and then you can loop it back with the DSP speaker output to your car to your car speaker. And then we have a connector here for the rear DSP, your car amplifier signal input and also signal output to the speaker. And finally, there's a plug. Just 1 second. This is for the subwoofer that you can connect to your factory subwoofer or maybe the aftermarket one. And this is the connector, connect to the DSP with the speaker output and the speaker input here. So I'm not going to open this harness here. Basically what it does is that it will allow you to get the signal from the front of the car. There are 2 amplifiers in the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. One in the passenger side kicks and one at the rear of the subwoofer. So this harness will allow you to connect to the front amplifier, get the speaker signal, and connect to the rear amplifier to get the speaker signal, and to the Alpine DSP, the X121, and then the DSP speaker output loop it back to the front and to the rear, so you can have all the control of the car speaker with the DSP here. And it includes a power supply core that will allow you to without doing any wiring soldering, you can just use the wire directly. So thanks for watching. If you want to get this cable, you can order it from our website. Thanks for watching.